the world's largest Paw Patrol racetrack.
That's right, we got the lookout tower up here.
With the loop-de-loop.
The loop-de-loop.
Going all the way down the orange track, up this other ramp, down this ramp, and then down into the ball pit.
Into the lookout tower. Pretty awesome, assistant.
Yeah, let's get started.
Look at it from here. Okay. So, assistant, before we do the loop-de-loop, we've got to try some other stuff
We
first.
have to make sure everyone can make it down prior.
That's right.
Just the normal orange track before we level it up going on the loop-de-loop.
So up first, who are we using?
Roxy,
So we got Roxy, I think that's Boomer,
Rubble, and then over here is Skye, Chase, and Marshall.
and they've got to go down. So before we put them up here,
We're going to have to use
is-
this stick to let them go.
we have to unlock that first, right?
Everyone has to be able to make it down this.
Yeah, so in order to unlock the top level, first they've got to be able to do the bottom level, right?
Right, and we're going to start off with Roxy.
Okay, so here's Roxy.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, Roxy passed!
She made it to the lookout tower. Good job, Roxy. Wow. All right, assistant. Up next is
Boomer!
Boomer. So there's Boomer. He's got to go down this track. I like his green helmet, don't you?
Yeah.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
And go. Here comes Boomer.
Oh, Boomer!
Boomer, you didn't make it. You got.
Maybe I'll give him a harder push.
Okay, yeah, we got to see Boomer. He got stuck right here. Let's see if he can make it.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
No, Boomer!
What happened? Let's try. You think we should try one more time? So he looks like he's getting stuck, like right here. You can arrange the track a little bit better. And we've got some dogs that are very interested in it, right?
Yes, let's go. Boomer, this is your last try.
All right,
You'll be
Boomer.
able to unlock it.
If you don't do this, you can't unlock the higher level.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I think he got pushed off the track. That one is a push off. All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, he got off the track again.
Fail.
All right, Boomer, you're gonna have to go back to the lookout tower, but you're
That's not a pass.
but not a pass. All right, so assistant, here is Boomer. We're gonna have to put him in the non-passing section, which is over here by Rubble's and friends, right?
Yes. Okay, Boomer did
By the
not
train.
pass. Now time for Rubble.
All right, Rubble on the double. So there's Rubble in his big truck.
Okay.
He's got to go down
3,
through here.
2, 1, go Rubble!
Whoa! Ooh!
So close, so close! Yeah, he made it!
He rolled in. Good job. I thought he was toast.
Me too, but he made it to the ball pit.
Let's try one more time on that, okay?
Okay,
It looks like he crashed like right here.
they're flipping over.
Yeah, we got to figure out why they're flipping over. We spent a lot of time designing this track, didn't we?
Yes. Okay, here we go. Rubble part 2.
He goes up on a wheelie. Oh, he almost made it.
Wheelie!
He got Willie close to making it on a wheelie. I think we're going to give it to Rubble. So Rubble and Roxy are in the Paw Patrol Lookout ball pit.
Yes.
And they are the first two to advance to unlock the next part of the challenge.
Next up is Skye.
Oh, so this is... You can't have it go up like that, though, sister.
She can make it.
It does kind of look like she's flying, doesn't it?
Yeah. Okay. Starting from level 1. Wait, does she even fit? Oh, yeah, she does. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, she crashed right there. All right, I think she got pushed off. So maybe we should just let her roll naturally.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, she crashed, but she kept rolling.
That's a fail.
All right, so where is she falling at?
I forget. I think she's like right here.
Right here, so she's going off the track right there. Let's try a little mini run and see.
Oh,
Well, she made it from there.
hold on.
So we're doing a little scientific experimentation here. She made it that time.
But she's not in it.
She was not in it. Alright, let's put her in. She's getting really close. I really want to see Skye unlock the next level.
Whoa.
Oh, so close, Skye. Waggles is gonna check to make sure you're okay.
Rescue mission.
Alright, I think we got one more attempt for Skye to try to get to unlock the next level.
You don't make it here, Skye.
Waggles is really rooting for her.
Ready, set, go!
So far so good. Oh, wheelie! Oh no!
Skye did not pass. She has to join Boomer.
She's got to show me Boomer over at Rubble and Friends. Rubble and Crew, their crane, don't they?
Yeah, bye, Skye.
Sorry, Skye. Right now we've only unlocked Roxy and Rubble.
2 out of the 4. I think Chase will be able to make it.
Alright, Chase, are you on this case?
Yeah, he is.
Alright, so again, if they get unlocked, they get to go all the way to the top.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go Chase! Yay!
He made it! He made it! I didn't even keep it on camera. Let's try it one more time so I can do it a
Chase
little third.
made it!
Better job on camera. Some of these are actually kind of hard to film.
Okay.
He made it! Easy.
2, 1, go! Oh no!
Oh, you got camera shy and didn't make
He
it.
got misdirected.
Alright, we'll try again. He did already pass. So once you unlock the level, you unlock the level.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, good job, Chase.
Oh, he's in. He's in. Clearly unlocked the next level.
Clearly. Last one is Marshall now.
Alright, Marshal.
3, oh.
Marshal.
Rolled away from me. Okay.
So we had to build this case. Assistant, should we show him the secret?
What?
There's a hiding spot in here.
Yes, if Waffles wants to go in there and hide, she
Waffles
can.
likes to hide in here. Waffles. Put a little light on. You see in here? Probably can't. But there's a big room in there.
Waffles, go! Go in there, Waffles!
There she goes.
She's exploring. Oh, she did a loop.
Oh, she did a loop. There you are, Waffles.
Oh, come back, Waffles, come back!
Good job. So that is our giant Lego fort. We spent a lot of time building this. And then we have this ramp for our track because we found that it was sagging too much.
Yes.
And we put that on this table over another ramp. Waffles, you like the microphone? Waffles, we're filming a video. Why are you trying to get the microphone? She's licking the microphone. Silly goose.
She's eyeing that microphone.
Up next we have...
Marshall!
Alright, here's Marshall. Marshall, he needs to look ahead. He needs to look where he's going. There you go. Turn his head around.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no!
Marshall,
He did a
you
wheelie!
flipped over! Oh my gosh, we gotta
Marshall.
try again.
First time is a failure.
Okay. Maybe he shouldn't be looking.
Yeah, maybe you made him too nervous.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
There he goes. Oh, another wheelie!
So close, you can make it! Oh my goodness.
And he failed again.
So close. Okay, maybe he just needs to turn all the way around.
Could be.
Okay. Putting him in backwards. Oh, I dropped him.
You dropped Marshall?
Okay, I can't put him in backwards.
Oh, you won't go in backwards. All right.
3,
All right, Marshall, this is your last time to unlock it.
2, 1.
Oh no!
Marshall failed all 3 times.
Oh, so
That means you gotta join the other ones.
you're gonna have to be here at the Rubble and Friends crane, right? With Marshall, Skye, Boomer,
That's it.
and that's it.
That means 3 out of the 6 passed and 3 out of the 6 failed. Waffles, do you want to try? Just kidding. Now it's time for the level up.
So, Assistant, what we're gonna do when we're done is we're going to see if Waffles will run up it.
Oh, okay.
That's the last thing that has to be unlocked. So up first is going to be
Roxy.
Roxy, all the way up. Look how hard it is to even push her up here.
So tall. Okay.
Oh, we got her up there. So here's Roxy, all the way at the top.
Yes.
And you got to use your stick to get it, right?
Correct.
So I'm going to join you on your side. We're going to see if you can get it. Don't. This is going to be tricky.
Okay.
All right, so ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh wait, hold on. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes. Oh!
She made it! I honestly didn't think one was ever going to make it. Did you believe it?
Oh my god.
High five!
Your reaction.
That was a genuine reaction. Sometimes people say they have these fake emotions on you.
I was like, man, he's really excited.
But that one was real. I couldn't believe it. She made it. Waffles, she made it. It didn't record. Just kidding. That would be really bad. But she made it all the way up. I can't
Okay,
believe it.
next up is Rubble.
All right, so Rubble was challenged to make it last time.
But he barely passed.
So we have to put him all the way up, right there. So Rubble is up top. I can't believe Roxy made it. So people, we've done about how many trials have we done since then?
Like 2
No, seriously.
million. Like a lot.
We've done probably 20 trials. That was the first one to ever make it.
Okay. Rubble. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait, hold on. Faulty start.
Sissy, you broke it.
The thing slipped. Try number 2.
Trial 2.
Oh, ran into the camera.
Ran into the camera.
Rubble. Oh my gosh.
Rubble, no.
Does he
way.
get 2 tries? I'm
Yeah.
like,
Let me try and see if I can put him in from this side.
so he doesn't walk around.
So I have to keep walking around the whole thing.
He needs to stick.
Got it.
Okay.
So Rubble is able to get back up.
Ready for Rubble's try number 2. This is his last try, right? Or no?
I think
This is
so.
3.
I think this is it.
Release the Rubble. Oh, faulty start.
You need a better starter.
It keeps slipping.
Alright, so we gotta put him back up. Alright, that's way easier than going all the way around.
Okay, Rubble, try number 4.
There we go.
Oh!
Into the camera.
Into the camera.
Almost
Again.
destroyed the. Oh, Waffles is
there to
checking on
pick up
Rubble.
pieces.
Is he okay?
That's a fail for Rubble.
Here's his truck.
Okay.
Alright, Rubble, you didn't make it, buddy.
Final one is Chase.
Chase is on the case and trying to make it up. Do you think Chase can make it? Chase is up there. There he is. That's how high it is. That's how high we have to go up just for you people at home.
It's like almost taller than me. And I'm like 6 foot.
Ish.
Okay. Chase, try number 1. Oh, Waffles might get hit. She's in the ball pit. Here we go. Oh my gosh.
Didn't make it. Nope, ain't gonna work. Alright, so we had a failure with Chase going down. We're having a hard time just getting him launched. It would have been way better if the launch mechanism would stay on the other side.
Okay. Try number 2 with Chase. Oh, into the camera again. They
That
keep
camera-
veering.
Camera is really
Hold
attractive
on.
to it.
Let's make sure that it's not something with the track. Nope.
You made it in.
It's just level 2 that's giving them a hard time.
That's right. Boss. You still protecting Rubble down here? Here's Rubble he has to go to Rubble and Crew's crane.
Because he lost.
So he did not succeed. And here is our friend Chase on the case. All right, so
here's your last try, Chase.
all right.
You want me to go from here?
Yep, I'm gonna do it from this side.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, just short. I think you earned one more try, assistant.
Yeah, you got so close, Chase.
He was very close to being on it.
What?
So right now, Roxy's in first place.
On her first try, too.
Chase is probably in second, and then Rubble would be in third. I think Boomer's in last.
Yeah, Boomer don't even make it halfway. Probably Boomer then Skye.
Okay.
They both didn't do good. Okay. Final attempt from Chase.
Oh no! Right into the camera. Doggone it. Chase didn't make it. Sorry, Chase. You go over there.
Now that means we have a winner.
The winner is Roxy.
Roxy, does she want to do a victory lap?
I think she should. Roxy's gonna try one more time. This is again why we were kind of surprised. At least I was surprised. We did a lot of trials without a lot of luck. So here's Roxy. She's
Here
up
we go,
there.
her victory lap. 3, 2, 1. Woo!
She made it again!
2 in a row!
All right, so since she made it, that means we're gonna see if our dog.
Waffles will
Waffles.
attempt to scale this.
Wow, you think you can make it up there? You think you
Yes.
can make it up?
She might need some motivation.
All right, so we're gonna get some treats, and we're gonna change the course to see if Waffles can make it. Okay?
Okay. Waffles!
So, sister, what do you have?
Treats.
Treats in your hand.
And we have 2 dogs who are very interested in getting those treats.
All right, let's see if they will
Ooh,
go up.
smell the treats. Smell the treats. And I'm gonna put the treats up here. But we have to leave them up, right? Don't we? Dogs, come here. Look at this. Right here, you see this treat?
Waffles, look.
Do you see this treat?
Waffles.
Okay, Waffles, you're looking the wrong way. Look at this treat. Look, come up and get the treat. Number 2. Oh, whoa! Waffles
Waffles
shot.
made it.
Oh my gosh, she's eating all the treats. I only have 1 treat left.
Oh.
She just annihilated those. Let's see if Waggles will come
Waggles,
up.
you go all the way
Come,
up.
Waggles. Good boy.
Good job.
Yay!
Okay, so dogs made it up. Paw Patrol made it down.
With no problem.
And that's the end of our video, right?
Right. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye then.